Still waiting for the seat lock, hence why I haven't put that in line properly, because I don't want to lock it on and not be able to get it off. Front end's not working. It is working, it's just not put together, because obviously seat lock cable comes from here, goes down there, and then it goes through the frame, through the hollow tubing of the frame, comes out here and the back. Look at that. How easily that starts now. Exhaust definitely sounds better. I like it. Might be hard to get rid of this one. Still got to do the back to black on it, obviously. Panels still got to be put in properly. Once that seat lock's done, it means then I can start rebuilding this. The front lights work, indicators work, brakes work, rear lights work. I think the only thing I'm probably going to need is a tyre. It's too far gone, that is. Rear tyre seems to be good. Starts like that, thanks to battery, spark plug.